Well, flying during this pandemic is certainly stressful enough, even more so when the plane you're on is packed, nearly full. A passenger snapped a photo on a Flair Airlines flight from Calgary to Vancouver, and as Brenna Rose reports, there was no room for distancing.
There are reminders at the Calgary airport for people to keep their physical distance from each other. But on a Flair Airlines flight from Calgary to Vancouver, it appears that didn't happen. A passenger tweeting this photo calling the plane completely packed, including almost all the middle seats.
I would be very troubled if airlines could pack people as sardines on board. It doesn't sound right to me.
A shocking sight for passenger advocates, but one the airline says the people in those seats chose.
What we're doing is we're giving you a choice. If you want to, you can pay the extra $49 and have it a seat next to you empty.
Other airlines are opting to keep middle seats empty, and the CEO of Flair Airlines says they could too.
If we do that, then we would have to charge everybody 1/3 more. And I think the customers that we carry don't have a lot of money. They're not rich people, and they'll take the precautions and put the mask on to save that type of money.
Since the start of the pandemic, Canadian officials have stressed the importance of physical distancing. Transport Canada listed it as a key point in preventing the spread of the virus as part of a guide issued to the aviation industry last month.
The social distancing rules should be observed as a mandatory measure.
It comes as the Calgary airport is making it mandatory for anyone who steps inside to wear a mask at all times.
So this is really what it comes down to, is safety and bolstering our existing kind of initiatives that include enhanced cleaning and then our work to try and physically distance people as much as possible.
Something most passengers we spoke to are okay with.
It's starting to get normal, same with that plexiglass.
I think better safe than sorry, and I don't want to stay home, so I'd rather wear a mask and go out than not wear one and stay home.
It's not necessary. I think everybody's safe just the way it is.
And Brenna's live at the airport tonight. So Brenna, how will the airport enforce mask wearing on the property?
Well, Jocelyn, the short answer is they won't be. They're hoping that people follow the regulations. Now, if you show up here without one of these, some of the sales stores inside do sell them. Now, we also reached out to Mark Garneau's office for clarification regarding the physical distancing requirements on airplanes, but we haven't yet heard back. Jocelyn?
All right. Thank you, Brenna.